Hey everybody, Chef Tovia here. If you're looking for a delicious and easy pear cobbler that is easy to prepare, then this is it for you. Please subscribe to my channel for new uploads on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at midnight Eastern Standard Time. Please keep in mind that you can find all the ingredients you'll need for today's demonstration, as well as my contact information in the description box. So I'm using red pears, and I've got a really sharp paring knife, pardon the pun, to peel this pear. This cobbler recipe is going to be so easy, and I'm going to be posting another version soon which has an oatmeal crumble topping, which will be a pear crisp cobbler. So after peeling your pear with your paring knife, I'm going to just go alongside the stem here. Let's see where you can see where I'm cutting, and I'm just going to go straight down. There's a reason for this. I'm going to show you why. Okay, so the reason why I cut it down in the middle or the side here is so we can just easily just grab the top of the stem here and just use your knife to just pull all that stem out straight down. All that stem is out. Then you just take a teaspoon and just go here to remove the core of the pear. We have perfect pear. And then with the other half, you're just going to go in with your teaspoon, go right here to scoop out the core. Flat side down, and I'm just going to slice it into sort of thick slices. Not too thick, but fairly. Okay. So slice up all your pears. I'm going to finish removing all the whole portion here. Okay. Sorry, it's dark and my lighting's bad, but the Hurricane Florence leaked and ruined my light. So I've been dependent on daylight, so it's nighttime. So I'm going to take my pears and put into my bowl 5 spice powder. I know it seems strange, but it has a lot of flavors that we can benefit from in here, such as the fennel, the cloves, the star anise, the cinnamon that's in there. Of course, it doesn't hurt to have a little white pepper. So if you don't want to use 5 spice powder, leave it out. I'm also going to add some cinnamon. And I'm going to add my sugar. I'm not going to add too much sugar. Just a little bit of sugar. And if you're getting angry because I'm not using brown sugar, guess what? Brown sugar is basically white sugar and molasses that is combined together. And you can find that recipe in the description box. So if you have brown sugar, just use brown sugar, same amount in place of white sugar. Same amount of brown sugar in place of the white sugar, shall I say. So mix that together. And I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice. I'm just using bottled lemon juice. It's a cocktail artist. This stuff is really good. And mix all that together. And see, this pear cobbler, if you want to double it, you can just double the recipe. This is good, if you want to just have a little simple dessert for like 4 people. So I have here my 8x8 baking dish here, and I'm going to pour some melted butter on the bottom. I'm using salted butter in case you're wondering. And set that aside. Then I have my flour, sugar. Also, I'm going to add to this, I'm going to add the baking powder. There's nothing worse than biting into baking powder, so we're going to sift it in. I'm going to just whisk that together. I'm going to add my milk. Just whisk it. Doesn't have to be too terribly smooth. Now we're going to just pour the batter on top, just in the middle. We're not going to stir anything together here. Don't stir. And then I'm going to have the pears. Then I'm just going to... Actually, we're not going to stir, but I'm going to just spread it just a little bit. Okay, so we're going to place all that on top. My pears. And see all the juice that just came out of the pears? Well, you don't have to cook them because these pears were very soft. And just try to get a pear everywhere. And drizzle the rest of that on. 375-degree oven for 30 to 45 minutes. We'll be back. So guys, it took about close to 50 minutes for it to finish baking for me at 375. So just watch it till the top gets golden brown. Check it after 30 minutes. That's my rule of thumb. Then from that way you can be able to best judge how much longer it needs to bake. So I'm going to go ahead and slice into this. I took it out and let it cool completely. It's the next day. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified of my uploads. And I'm going to be uploading on Monday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. The Saturdays is temporary, but it's part of a temporary new schedule. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop out a piece. If I can get my spatula down in there. And you see it didn't stick. And look at that. You can see those pears all throughout the cobbler crust. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm going to warm this piece up. So I warmed mine up for about 30 seconds. It's beautiful. It smells amazing. I'm going to give this a taste. The best part about this cobbler is the crust. I'm going to give this a taste. The crust is so good. It's buttery. Please try this recipe, guys. I'm going to be posting a fall apple and pear crumble very soon. It's something that you guys are going to really enjoy. Also, I have a sweet potato pound cake coming. Hope you guys be on the lookout for that. Please subscribe to me. Please give me a thumbs up and share this video. I appreciate all of the support. Thank you all so much. I just had FedEx knocked on my door while I was filming. Somebody ordered my microphone. So I appreciate that so much. I appreciate everybody who's just take their hard-earned money just to support my channel. Please remember to live and be well. Let's come together and love each other. Please be safe.